Hello everyone, I'm K. Vishwan, Assistant Professor, St. Peter's Engineering College. In the previous session, we have started Unit 3, that is different integration and its properties. We have discussed the difference between different integration and indefinite integration, right? Then what is meant by lower limit, what is meant by upper limit, like that, right? And we have discussed one statement that is fundamental theorem, and we have discussed some problems also. Okay, so let us continue the same method in this session also. So this is the given problem. Evaluate integral 0 to pi by 2 square root of 1 plus sin 2x into dx is the given question. So first, before going to apply the limits, first we have to evaluate that integral. Okay, so first to evaluate that integral, write this limits as this. Already we have discussed this problem in unit 1, right? Here we have one, right one as this. We have sin 2x. So what is the formula of sin 2x? Right. That is 2 sin x into cos x into dx. We have 2 sin x cos x here, and here we have 1. We don't have direct formula for integration of this term, right? But we have relation between this 1 and sin x and cos x. So what is the relation? So write that relation here. So we can write that one as sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x and cos x into dx. That equals to integral 0 to pi by 2 square root of. If you observe this story now, which is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. Which is the expansion of a plus b whole square. That is sin x plus cos x whole square into dx. And square root get cancelled. So you get integral 0 to pi by 2 sin x plus cos x into dx. Okay. Then apply integration for these two terms. First integral 0 to pi by 2 first term is sin x. So sin x into dx plus integral 0 to pi by 2. Second term is cos x. So cos x into dx. Now integration of sin x. So what is integration of sin x? Minus cos x. Limits are 0 to pi by 2 plus integration of cos x is sin x. Limits are 0 to pi by 2. Now apply the limits. Okay, write this minus outside. Now upper limit is pi by 2 in place of x. So cos pi by 2 minus lower limit is what 0. So cos 0. We are writing minus outside first. Okay, then we are applying the integration. Next plus upper limit pi by 2. So you will get sin pi by 2 minus lower limit is 0. So sin 0. Now here cos 90 0, cos 0 1 plus sin 91 sin 0 is 0. Here minus into minus plus 1 and here plus 1. That is so integral value of this one is what? Plus 2. Okay. So let us see one more problem similarly. Integral 0 to pi square root of 2 plus 2 cos x into dx. To evaluate this integral, first observe here, we have square root of 2 plus 2 cos x. From this term, let us take 2 as common. If you take 2 common, what do you get? 1 plus cos x. So 1 plus cos x into dx. Then write this root to outside. Write this root to outside. Then integral 0 to pi by 2 square root of 1 plus cos x into dx. Again, we don't have a formula for integration of square root of 1 plus cos x, right? Now, here we have cos x. Okay, we have formula for cos 2x, right? What is the formula? We have two formulas in terms of sin and in terms of cos. We have two formulas, that is 2 cos square x minus 1, okay, or 1 minus 2 sin square x. We have these two formulas for cos 2x. But which we have to take here? See, here we have 1 plus 1. We have to eliminate this one. Right? To eliminate this one, we have to take this minus 1. That means we have to substitute this cos x value with in terms of cos. Okay. That means here we have cos x, but we have formula for cos 2x, right? Then we can write this as cos x equal to, we can write it as 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. Right? That is cos x square. 2 into cos square x by 2 minus 1. We are using this cos x value only, not this, right? So right move to outside, the integral is equal to pi by 2 square root of 1 plus, here in case of cos x, write this one. That is 2 into cos square x by 2 minus 1 into dx. Here plus 1 and minus 1 get cancelled. Square root of 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2. And 2 into cos square x. Again we have root 2 here. So write this root 2 outside. So root 2 into root 2 will get 2. Then integral 0 to pi by 2. Integral of cos square x by 2. Cos square x by 2 is nothing but cos x by 2 whole square. Then we can cancel this square root. So you will get 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2 cos x into dx. So integration of cos x by 2 you will get. So what is integration of cos x by 2? So integration of cos. So integration of cos x by 2 is what? Sin x by 2. By, we have to get x coefficient in the denominator. What is x coefficient here? 1 by 2. So write 1 by 2 in the denominator. Limits are what? 0 to pi by 2 on the limits. Okay. Then here 1 by 1 by 2 is nothing but what? 2. So write that outside. You will get 4. Then sin x by 2 0 to 5. Now let us apply the limits. First, apply upper limit pi by 2 in place of x. So sin pi by 2 by 2 minus lower limit sin 0 by 2. 4 into here sin pi by 2 by 2. That means we can write it as 2 by 1. Take this 2 by 1 to numerator 1 by 2. That means 2 and 2 get cancelled. So you will get sin pi only. Sin pi minus sin 0 by 2 is 0. Okay. So what is sin pi value? Sin pi value is what? 0. And sin 0 value is 0. So the total term becomes 0. So interval value of the given function is what? 0. Okay. Let us see one more problem. Evaluate integral 0 to pi by 4 1 by 1 plus sin x into dx. Integral 0 to pi by 4 1 by 1 plus sin x into dx. Here we have 1 by 1 plus sin x. We don't have direct formula, right? And we cannot make it separate. So in this case, what we have to do? We have to rationalize it. Okay. So just rationalize this function, then solve the integral, then apply the limits. Okay. Solve the problem. And next one, integral 0 to pi by 4 tan square x into dx. Integral 0 to pi by 4 tan square x into dx. Here, how to integrate this tan square x? We don't have formula for tan square x, right? Okay, we have formula for cot square x, right? So how can we solve this? So what is the relation between tan and cot? What is the relation? Cot square theta minus tan square theta is equal to what? 1. From that, we can write it as cot square theta minus 1 equals to what? Tan square theta. Okay, then substitute this transfer x value, that is r square x minus 1. So integral 0 to pi by 4, here in place of x we are getting theta, right? So tan square x, that is tan square theta value for cot square x minus 1. Cot square x minus 1. Then apply the integration. So integral 0 to pi by 4 cot square x into dx minus integral 0 to pi by 4 1 into dx. Okay, then apply the integration, then substitute the elements. Okay, next question. Evaluate integral 0 to pi by 2 square root of square root of 1 plus cos square x. Okay, right. Here also same directly we cannot integrate this total now. Here we have formula for cos square x. Okay, so write the formula of cos square x. We have two formulas, but here we have to cancel this plus 1. So we have to take this one. 2 cos square x minus 1. So let us apply that. Integral 0 to pi by 2 square root of 1 plus 2 cos square x minus 1 into dx. Plus 1 and minus 1 get cancelled. So integral 0 to pi by 2 square root of 2 into cos square x dx you will get. Now write this root 2 outside. So root 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2 square root of cos square x into dx. Again, here square root will cancel. So root 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2 only cos x into dx. So write root 2. Yes. Integration of cos x. So integration of cos x is what? Sin x. Limits are 0 to pi by 2. Now apply the limits. So what is upper limit? Pi by 2. That means you get sin pi by 2. Minus lower limit is 0. So sin 0. Then root 2 into sin pi by 2 is 1. Sin 0 is 0. That is root 2 is the given interval value. Given integral value. Okay. Let us see what the problem. Evaluate integral 0 to pi by 2. Evaluate integral 0 to pi by 2. Sin 3x into cos x dx. Okay, sin 3x into cos x dx. It's a product of two trigonometric functions. That means which is in the form of sin A cos B, right? Sin A cos B. What is the formula of sin A cos B? Right here. Sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B by 2. So let us use this formula here. So integral 0 to pi by 2. Here A is 3x and B is x. So let us substitute in this formula. So sin of A plus B, 3x plus x plus sin of A minus B, 3x minus x by 2 into dx. Then write the 2 outside. So you get 1 by 2 integral 0 to pi by 2. Here 3x plus 4x is 4x. So you get sin 4x. Here sin 2x into dx. Now let us make this separate. So 1 by 2 of here integral 0 to pi by 2. First term is what? Sin 4x. So sin 4x into dx plus second term is what? Integral 0 to pi by 2 sin 2x into dx. So 1 by 2 of here integration of sin 4x. So integration of sin 4x is what? Minus cos 4x by x coordinate is 4 by 4. Limits are 0 to pi by 2 are the limits. Okay, next less here. Integration of sin 2x again. Integration of sin 2x is minus cos 2x by 2. Limits are 0 to pi. Here total 1 by 2 or so right is minus 1 by 4 outside. Right 1 by 4 outside. Now apply upper limit. So what is upper limit here? Pi by 2 in place of this x. So we will get cos 4 into pi by 2 minus lower limit is what? 0. That is cos 4 into 0. Cos 4 into 0. So first term is over. Okay. Next, second term. In the second term, write that minus 1 by 2 outside. Okay. So minus 1 by 2 outside. Then apply upper limit. Upper limit is what? Pi by 2 in place of this x. That means you will get cos 2 into pi by 2. Cos 2 into pi by 2 minus lower limit is 0 plus cos 2 into 0 minus cos 2 into 0. Okay. Now simplify it. So simplify it. So write this 1 by 2 as this minus 1 by 4 here 2 ones 2 twos, so you will get cos 2 pi. We know that cos n by value is what? Cos n by value is what? Minus 1 to the power n. So here in place of n we have 2. Plus cos 2 pi value is what? Minus 1 to the power 2 is plus 1. So cos 2 pi value is what? Plus 1. Then minus 4 into 0 is 0. So cos 0. So cos 0 is what? 1. Next, minus 1 by 2 again. Or here cos 2 into pi by 2 is there. 2 and 2 get cancelled. Cos pi over here. That means in place of n we have 1. So minus 1 to the power of 1. So you will get minus 1 there. Minus 1. Next, minus cos 2 into 0 is cos 0. So cos 0 is 1. Next, so 1 by 2 here 1 minus 1 is 0. The total term becomes 0. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Minus 2 minus plus. So 1 by 2 or plus. 2 and 2 get cancelled. 1 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. Okay. So that is the given integral value. Okay. So first we have to use sin A cos B formula. Then we have to apply the integration, then apply the limits. Okay. Let us see one more problem. Evaluate integral 0 to pi by 4. Integral 0 to pi by 3 cos 3x into cos x dx. Evaluate integral 0 to pi by 3 cos 3x into cos x dx. Here we have cos a cos b form. So use cos a cos b. Cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b by 2. Use that formula. Then integrate. Then apply the limits. Okay. Next one. Integral 0 to pi by 2. Integral 0 to pi by 2. Sin cube x into dx. Integral 0 to pi by 2. Pi by 2 sin cube x into dx. Here we have sin cube x. We have a direct formula for sin x and cos x terms only. But here we have sin cube x. Okay, like cos square x, we have used 1 plus cos 2x by 2, and for sin square x, we have used 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Similarly, we have to use this sin cube x formula. Okay, so what is the formula of sin cube x? We know that sin cube x equals to what? 3 sin x minus sin 3x by 4. So this is the formula of sin cube x. Okay, so let us apply this formula here. So integral 0 to pi by 2 sin cube x is what? 3 sin x minus sin 3x by 4 into dx. So write this 4 outside, that is 1 by 4, then integral 0 to pi by 2, here 3 sin x minus sin 3x into dx. Now let us apply integration for these two terms separately. Okay, write 1 by 4, then integral of here integral 0 to pi by 2, first term is what? 3 sin x into dx minus second one is here integral 0 to pi by 2, second one is sin 3x into dx. Okay, next here 1 by 4 or here 3 is a constant, right? So let us write that 3 outside. The integration of sin x is minus cos x. Limits are 0 to pi by 2. Next second one minus, here we have integration of sin 3x, not sin x, sin 3x. So integration of sin 3x is what? Minus cos 3x. Then we have to write exponent in the denominator. Limits are 0 to pi by 2. Okay. So integration of sin 3x is what? Minus cos 3x by 3. Now 1 by 4 or write this minus outside, so minus 3. Now apply the limits. Upper limit is what? Pi by 2. So it becomes cos pi by 2 minus lower limit is what? 0. So we will get cos 0. Then minus into minus plus. Then write the 3 outside. So 1 by 3 or first write upper limit. That is pi by 2 because of this x. So you will get cos 3 into pi by 2 minus lower limit is cos 3 into 0. Okay. Now 1 by 4 or minus 3 into cos pi by 2 that is cos 90 values 0 minus cos 0 is 1 plus 1 by 3 or cos 3 pi by 2 value. What is the value of cos 3 pi by 2? 3 pi by 2 means what? 3 into 180 by 2. 3 into 180 by 2 that is 90. That is 270 values given. Okay, so cos 270 value. So what is the value of cos 270? So we can write that cos 270 as cos of 180 plus 90. So it becomes cos 90. So cos 90 is what? 0. So you will get 0. Then cos 0 is 1. Close the bracket. Okay. Now so 1 by 4 of 0 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 into minus 3 is plus 3 plus 1 by 3 into minus 1 is minus 1. So here you will get minus 1 by 3. Then simplify. So what will be LCM 3? 9 minus 1 8 4 ones 4 2s, that is 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 is the given integral value. Okay. So with this problem, let us end this session. In the next session, we will discuss a new method. Okay. Thank you and bye.